Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing that despotic dictator, the tyrant of apocalypse, Darkseid. Well, as you have no doubt noticed here, I am not drawing Darkseid yet. I've started with drawing this kind of little tube thing here. Just trying to warm up and get in the spirit of Jack Kirby. Trying to, get in the mood of this. This is not a specific thing from his artwork. Over the decades, you could probably find a shape similar to this in just about any of his comics. Just kind of a design sensibility that he had, and this is just for warming up here.
Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe.
All right, this is the first design for Darkseid I wanted to do. It was going to be Darkseid and then some tentacles here, and I might come back to that one, but that is not the one I completed for this video. What you're seeing here is, and we're just kind of roughing out the basic shapes at this point.
Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share.
So this is pretty much the whole drawing here. I was trying to get used to drawing with the side of the pencil to get some of these blockier shapes, and then here I'm going over those blocky shapes with a kind of a pen brush thing here to try to keep that sensibility going. This is another death of the marker video. So this blue one, you'll start to see it here, but it's the wide end really gave out, and then all I had left was the thin tip, and then that started giving out. So I just finished it off, and then it went straight into the bin. All right, we are coming up on the end of another video here. You're likely to see some more Jack Kirby characters coming up here pretty soon, but yeah, here's our final piece, Darkseid, the ruler of Apocalypse. I had a good time with this one, Internet. I hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.